Freelance writing is an amazing way to make money as a writer. And if you're watching this in 2024, then there can't be a better time than now to make money as a freelance writer online. But the question most people ask, especially at the start of their freelance writing career, is how to find clients for freelance writing. Like, we know there are platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, but we also know it's so hard to find clients on these two platforms. So what should newbie writers do? There are two ways you can find freelance writing clients, and the first way is the most powerful way, and that is by directly cold pitching to clients who you know fit into your niche. So if you are new to this field of cold outreach, there are several elements that you should include in your pitch that you send to the client. The most important of that being, what makes you the right person to be paid for writing content for that website. And if you don't know the secrets of cold pitching but would like to learn some, I have made a detailed course called Freelance Superheroes. Freelance Superheroes is a self-paced video course that will help you learn everything right from finding your niche to building a portfolio to sending a pitch to clients. It has templates for pitches and examples of sample pitches that got me deals over $2,000 for each article. So if you are a budding freelance writer, make sure to check out Freelance Superheroes. The link is in the description of this video. Other than cold outreach, the second way to find freelance clients is to look for them in these three platforms, which I'm going to talk about in today's video. 3 best freelance websites to earn money from in 2024. The first platform that we're talking about today is called Contra. Contra is a very cool place for freelancers to make money. It's not just for writers, it's for people from any niche, like web developers to designers to brand marketers, etc. All you have to do is set up your account, set up all the skills that you are proficient in, add links to your social media and to your blog, and then your profile is ready. After that, you can hunt for work on Contra depending on what rates you're looking for and what your specialities are, and then you will have a great freelance deal in no time. The second platform that we're talking about today is called ProBlogger. So I've come to the homepage of ProBlogger, and this is what we see. You can also join their Facebook community where they keep sharing new opportunities for freelance writers. Other than that, they have some amazing resources for writers to stay consistent, build a personal brand, find clients, etc. And if you want to find writing opportunities from ProBlogger, you have to scroll more down, and you can see their job board. So once you're a member of the community, you can see the full job board. Currently, I'm not a member, so only these few opportunities are available to me. But then if I look for them, they look pretty interesting. Like the pay rate is pretty good. Like for example, this one pays 900 USD for writing articles about local businesses. Doesn't look too bad. Then there was one more that I saw that pays you about $175 for each article. So that's pretty good money actually. ProBlogger has a lot of opportunities like this. So if you make an account and if you're a part of their community, then there would be no dearth of freelance writing opportunities for you. The third platform to find freelance clients from is called LinkedIn. I'm sure we all have heard of LinkedIn, but many of us might think of LinkedIn as the place where we put up our resume online. But times have changed. In 2024, LinkedIn is no longer your online resume, but it's your all-in-one platform to find a client and start making money online. But how does one find clients on LinkedIn? It's pretty simple. This first step is, of course, optimizing your profile so clients can find you easily. I have made a detailed video on how to optimize your profile so your profile looks more attractive to clients. You can find that video linked right here. The second step is to start hunting for clients who fall into your niche and then sending them a cold outreach message. Now, the principles of cold outreach that I talked about in Freelance Superheroes work in LinkedIn as well. All you have to do is attach a few samples of your work and then write a very strong pitch suggesting to the client why they should employ you and what they stand to gain from your collaboration. Once you do that, hit send and at least make sure to send 5 connection requests every day, 5 pictures every day, and you'll definitely get a good success ratio from that. So these were the 3 freelance websites to make money from in 2024. I hope this was useful to you. Please do share it with other writers so they can learn something new as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future content like this. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!